Do you want to delete ESPN Fantasy League on app? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open the ESPN Fantasy app. Now, you want to head over to the football tab. Here, you should find your league. Go ahead and select the league that you want to delete, then tap on My Team option. Once you get here, tap on the League tab. Now, you have the option of League Manager Tools. Go ahead and select that. Here, select Basic Settings. Here you will find all the information about your league. At the bottom you have the option of delete league. You can only do this if you are the league creator. If you are, go ahead and tap on the delete league option. Now go ahead and tap on yes, delete league forever. Once you tap on that, as you can see, your league has been successfully deleted on the app itself, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.